Hi everybody, I'm here, and that just fell. I'm here to show you guys these items that I've been purchasing recently. As you see in the thumbnail, I'm gonna start off with Hermes because I'm already wearing a few of them. And this one in the box just came because it had to be ordered in. So, first one came in this box, and I don't remember if these come in dust bags. Yes. So the dust bag right here, and it's actually this H bracelet, this click H in this really beautiful turquoise teal color, and it's yellow gold hardware, super pretty. And then the next item is this lipstick. It's in beige crusette, and I love packaging on the Hermes lipsticks. They're super cute. They come with their own dust bag, and this is the packaging. That's the color right there. I do have some lip stuff on right now, but pretty. And this is magnetic, and that's so cool. I love that. Okay, next item was this one, and this is actually really heavy and sturdy, and black box. You guys may already know what this is, but comes like that. I actually don't have it on there because I was wearing it recently, so let's just put it on. And this is a rose gold 18 karat bracelet. Let me just put it on. So to put it on, you just wrap it around. And what I like about this one is that, excuse my nail, that's fallen off. What I like about this bracelet is that I could put it on with one hand. So it's this one right here, and then on the other side, I don't know how to show that. And you can twist it that way too, make it so pretty, and then just chain on the back. So beautiful. I do love this bracelet. I'm gonna keep it on for the remainder of the video. And then next one is from Chanel. Got the camellia. And ta-da! This is the Chanel Boy card holder in this very beautiful iridescent like nude taupe color with the yellow gold hardware. And you can put 2 cards in the back, 1 in the front, and then a few more on the inside. So beautiful. And this is in lambskin or goat skin. Let me see. It actually doesn't say if it's lamb or goat, but that's that. And this one I'm so excited about, and it just came with this because I've been wanting this as soon as I saw the color, and I've heard that it's very comfortable. So let's try them on. They're a pair of shoes, if you guys didn't catch that. Okay, let me open it really quickly. These are the shoes. They're so cute. These are called the Enid shoes, sandals. So it says Hermes in the back over here, and then on the bottom, and then it has all these H's like the sheep sandals. But other than those 2 factors and then the H's on the back, it's very subtle. I didn't really think that I would like it because it's silver hardware, but because it's this beautiful yellow color, I think I do love it. I'll do some mod shots of those later on too. Also, side note, I did do my hair. It's like bleached and I put some highlights in there, and my hairdresser cut off a bunch of inches. Once you see the price, once you'll be like, what the heck is that? But if you guys, this is another alternative. These are from Sorel. They're so pretty. I love this color combo, and they are so comfortable. They're super comfortable. If you guys have never tried these before, which I never have, you need to try one and get a pair because they're so comfortable. I love them. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing haul. Please please subscribe, follow me on my socials, and I'll see you next time. Bye.